Good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2020 Chemistry Past Question 28. Which of the following is true of a sample of hydrogen gas whose mass is 4 grams under a pressure of 2 atm and a temperature of 27 degrees Celsius? H, that is the molar mass of hydrogen, is 1. The molar gas constant is 0.082 liter dot atmosphere mole per Kelvin. Now it is said that the volume is 24.6 liters. It contains 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 molecules. It exists as atom because of temperature, and D says none of the above. Now looking at this question, we are given hydrogen gas with a mass of 4 grams. Now the molar mass of hydrogen, that is for one atom of hydrogen, is 1, and 1 mole of hydrogen is represented as H2, so that is equals to 2 grams. Now the gram given to us is 4 grams, so it simply means now to get the mole of hydrogen, we simply divide the given mass, which is 4 all over 2, and that will give us 2. So the mole of hydrogen given, which is N, is equals to 2 moles. Now the pressure P is equals to 2 atmosphere. The molar gas constant R is equals to 0.082. Then the temperature T is given as 27 degrees Celsius, which is equals to 300 Kelvin. Now we are asked to find which of the statements is correct. Now looking at these parameters given, volume is absent. Now let's find the volume of this hydrogen gas. So from the ideal gas equation, PV is equals to nRT. So from here we can say V is equals to nRT all over P. That is, V is equals to 2, which is the mole, multiplied by 0.082 multiplied by T, which is 300 all over P, which is 2. So from here we can say that V is equals to 24.6 liters. Now looking at the options, you agree with me that the correct answer already to this question is actually option A, because it is so clear and obvious that the volume of this hydrogen gas is 24.6 liters as said in option A. So option A is actually correct. Now looking at option B says it contains 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 molecules. Now this option is wrong because this number, or this Avogadro's number, are only valid for 1 mole of a gas, but since it is 2 mole of a gas, it should be 2 times this value. But since it is 1 mole of a gas, that is when this can be valid. But now our hydrogen here is having 2 moles, so making this wrong. So the correct answer to this question is option A. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos on past questions.